Welcome to our analysis of GigSky, a global mobile data service provider. GigSky offers a convenient solution for travelers, providing data connectivity in over 190 countries around the world. The company's services are available through esim on eligible Apple devices, select Android smartphones, or via physical SIM cards. GigSky prides itself on its easy setup, flexible plans, and reliable service, making it a popular choice for many globetrotters. GigSky is packed with several features designed for user convenience. Key features include the ability to purchase data plans directly from your device, no need for physical SIM cards, and coverage in over 190 countries. GigSky also offers flexible data plans ranging from a day to a month, making it ideal for both short and long trips. Furthermore, the service is contract-free, allowing users to pay only for what they need when they need it. GigSky offers a variety of data plans to suit different needs and budgets. Prices start from $10 for 1 GB of data for 1 day, going up to $50 for 5 GB of data for 30 days. The pricing structure is flexible and region-based, enabling users to select the most suitable plan for their travel destination. However, it's important to note that prices may vary depending on the region and data usage. GigSky is perfect for frequent international travelers who need reliable and convenient data connectivity. It's also ideal for digital nomads who work in different countries and need a flexible, pay-as-you-go data plan. Additionally, GigSky can be a great solution for those who want to avoid exorbitant roaming charges from their home carrier. Lastly, it's a good option for people who need a temporary data solution while waiting for their regular internet service to be set up. The main advantages of GigSky include its wide coverage, flexible plans, and easy setup. Users can access data services in over 190 countries, making it incredibly useful for international travel. The flexible plans allow users to pay only for what they need, making it a cost-effective option. The easy setup process, with no need for physical SIM cards on compatible devices, adds to the overall convenience of the service. Despite its advantages, GigSky has some limitations. The service is not available on all devices, limiting its usability for some customers. Also, while GigSky's pricing is competitive, it may still be more expensive than local data plans in some countries. Lastly, its data plans are not unlimited, which might not suit heavy data users. These factors are important to consider when deciding whether GigSky is the right solution for you. In conclusion, GigSky offers a convenient, flexible, and wide-reaching solution for international data connectivity. Its service is easy to use, contract-free, and available in over 190 countries. While it may not be the cheapest option in every region and doesn't offer unlimited data, its advantages make it a compelling choice for many travelers and digital nomads. To summarize, GigSky's key strengths lie in its broad coverage, flexibility, and ease of use. Its limitations include device compatibility and potentially higher cost than local data plans. However, for frequent travelers seeking a reliable, convenient, and flexible data solution, GigSky stands out as a strong contender. Thank you for watching our analysis of GigSky. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Stay tuned for our next analysis.